Good afternoon to all. In today's session, we are going to continue with CSR NEET GRF Chemical Science June November 2020 Part C Series 3. Already we have been completed Part C Series 1 and 2, where each series compressed with 10 questions of Chemical Sciences of June November 2020 Part C questions. Okay, so there is a entire series associated with all organic, inorganic, physical chemistry questions, and it will be helpful for your any other entrance examinations and any competitive exam preparation, right? So in today's session, we are going to discuss about 10 questions which are started from 81 to 90 questions of this Part C. So let us enter into our actual concept, discuss about whatever questions are there in this region. So we are going to discuss 81 to 90 questions of this series. Question number 81. It is a part of organic chemistry. The major product formed in the following reaction. We are taking the starting material, which is of tricarbonyl compound. And if you observe this compound, all are identical in nature. Here you can find acetyl, here you can find acetyl, here also acetyl. When this triacetyl compound was taken and added with very strong base, you can say it is sodium ethoxide. In the presence of sodium ethoxide, it involved in ring cyclization, reaction, and a product will be generated. How the reaction mechanism proceeded and what will be the relevant product, let us discuss. Here, when sodium ethoxide got treated in this molecule, so in order to get the synchronized form, let us convert the molecule in the cyclic form, right? Here we have triacetyl groups. So within the molecule, there is a possibility of aldol condensation type of reaction. It is a kind of aldol condensation type of reaction. The strong base will abstract the H place from the center. This is called alpha hydrogen. Adjacent to carbonyl group, the carbon is said to be a alpha carbon, and hydrogens are more acidic, being these are attached with electron withdrawing group in adjacent. So that strong base will pull H plus and the generation of carbene is at the center. This carbene will be linked to carbonyl group at this carbon. So, and we have so many preferential, so many possibilities are there because all the systems are associated with 3 different carbonyl. But the preference is given for 6-membered ring is more stable when compared to 5-membered, and least will be given for 7-membered ring formation. That's the reason why selective cyclization takes place at this region and corresponding 6-membered ring generation is possible. Whenever negative charge is attached to this carbonylic center, it is turned into OH functional group. It turned into OH functional group hydroxy. This hydroxy and hydrogen on the adjacent carbon atoms, there is a possibility of dehydration. 3 mole of water molecule here, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is generated. It is purely intramolecular aldol condensation. This is the process of aldol condensation. What happens in aldol condensation? Sodium ethoxide strong base used to generate the carbene. Carbene nucleophilically added at carbonylic center, 6-membered ring will be generated. This is called aldol. Beta hydroxy ketone is called aldol. Aldol will be dehydrated in such a way alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is generated. This process is said to be a aldol condensation. Then why it is called intramolecular? Within the molecule we carried, actually aldol carried in between 2 different carbonylic centers. Alpha hydrogen is mandatory for aldol condensation reaction. But what we are doing within the molecule, only one carbonylic center treated with any other carbonyl. Hence it is regarded as a intramolecular aldol condensation, and this product will be 6-membered. Option number 2 is satisfying this one. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl and one more acetyl will be unreacted. So for question number 81, option number 2 will be the right answer. Let us move on to question number 82. In the question number 82, again it is the part of organic chemistry where we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-membered lactone ring was given to us. So when ester is present within the cyclic system is said to be a ester linkage. Now Another methylene group is there which is forming another ring structure, so that it is a kind of bicyclic system rather than monocyclic system, and it is attached with another nucleophilic compound. This is a kind of maleic ester. This is a kind of maleic ester, and here active methylene carbon is turned into carbene ion here. It is the dimethyl maleate. Okay, and treated with catalytic palladium complex was given here tetraphenylphosphine palladium. Tetraphenylphosphine palladium. This is the catalyst used to accelerate the rate of the reaction. And even final product is also given to us. What is the final product? Ring opening. Lactone ring got opened, and this turned into acetate, and remaining 6-membered ring is present in this manner, and at one center this group is added. So during this transformation from reactant to product, what kind of reactions got carried in this? Reactant is given, reagent is given, product is also given. The thing we have to predict is what the process, what is methodology, what is the reaction process for this achieving the reaction. In order to get that, let us see the mechanism of this reaction. So in question number 82, we are taking cyclic 7-membered ring system. Lactone system is there. It can be represented in either of the form. This is convenient for us in order to treat this dimethyl maleate, being it is the nucleophilic center having tendency to attach at this, so that ester link. So ester linkage is present in the 5-membered ring whenever nucleophile is added. So this carbon oxygen bond get cleaved at the center, and it is turned into O minus. And there is a generation of positive carbocation. Here we have electrophilic center, here nucleophilic center is there. So that new carbon-carbon bond will be formed in between. Here is the formation of COOMe, and the group generation, right? So this is the final product we obtained. In order to get this, we have certain methodology protocols in order to get its what is the reaction process. In the presence of palladium triphenylphosphine, what happens whenever ring opening is possible initially, this palladium will be attached to this carbon cation. So this carbocation is attached with palladium center at this position. Now it is in which state? Planar intermediate. It just resembles SN1 kind of reaction. In SN1 also what happens? Planar carbocation will be there, having provision to attach with nucleophile in either of the direction. Either of the direction means either from top side or from the bottom side. Here also, this palladium compound can be attached with this active methylene center from top side as well as bottom. So that stereochemistry will be 50% dextro and the remaining 50% will be levo compound, which is said to be a racemic mixture, right? So in this manner, due to the presence of this palladium and due to the planarity of this intermediate, the ligand is approaching, the nucleophile is approaching in either of the direction in the equal proportion, so that the product obtained in the racemate, that means racemic mixture, will be generated. So here, ester and palladium both are bulky in nature, because palladium, not only single palladium, it is already associated with ligands around that. That's the reason why here both the stereochemistry should be convenient when this ester is in top side, palladium is in bottom side, right? So that the stereochemistry of these two functional groups will be in, this is in towards us direction, palladium is in backside direction. So now coming ligand having equal proportional, equal possibilities from top side and bottom side, what happens here? The product is obtained. The product is obtained in the same manner. Syn addition is possible in the same phase with respect to this ester, and whatever product generated is racemic mixture, 50% dextro, 50% levo intermediate will be formed. Then let us see what are the options given which are relevant with respect to this question. Only syn diastereomer of B and which is racemic in nature. Why it is called syn diastereomer? Because already existing palladium is hindering the position from the back end. Only the provision is whatever the position is there with respect to ester, same stereochemistry will be obtained for this one. Then how can we say it is the racemic mixture? Because the planarity of the formed intermediate, so that nucleophile is attaching from front and back in both the directions. So question number 82, option number 3 will be the right answer. Let us move on to question number 84. So this is the provision. Lactone can be represented in this manner and attached with the nucleophile, and the product will be generated syn but racemic. This is the simple statement which is directly provided here. A detailed mechanism is represented in this equation. Now, let us move on to question number 83. It is the system of bicyclic system, and we have double bond O, double bond, SiMe3. This is the compound. So already we know trimethylsilane is the better leaving group and FeCl3 is the Lewis acid. Upon treating with Lewis acid, internal Friedel-Crafts reaction is possible. So any Lewis acid will facilitate Friedel-Crafts reaction. Within the molecule, internal Friedel-Crafts reaction will be facilitated and it involved in ionization process. Ring sizing is possible. Let us see how it is possible. And in this mechanism, we are treating this carbonyl compound with FeCl3. So FeCl3 is electron deficient Lewis acid, and C double bond O, oxygen associated with lone pair of electron. That's the reason why there is a formation of bond with this oxygen. Oxonium ion will be generated. Oxonium ion having provision to form a cyclic ring in this manner, so that we will get a cyclic system in this. After getting a cyclic system, we got a carbocation at beta position. Beta position with respect to this one, alpha beta position carbocation will be there. In order to satisfy the carbocation, this leaving group can be, this SiMe3 group will be eliminated, and this bonded electrons will form a carbon-carbon double bond. It is the kind of 4pi electron system. Here we have 2 electrons, here we have 2 electrons. This is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. What they are asking for? We have to predict the stereochemistry now. In all the cases, we got 5-membered ring in between, but only the thing needed to be predicted is, but SiMe3 are there, these 2 options will be discarded. Only the possibility is either 2 hydrogens are backside or 2 hydrogens are, one is front side and either backside. So these to be clarified. For that purpose, we have to go with photochemistry application here. How can we apply? In this, 4-pi electron system is there. Then 4-pi electron system, in order to predict the HOMO, 4 pi electrons are there, 2 pi bonds are there, 2 2s are 2. So this Psi2 becomes HOMO here. Psi2 becomes HOMO. How can we represent Psi2 for 4 pi electron system? One node should be there. Psi1 is associated with 0 nodes. Psi2 is associated with 1 node. N-1 nodes will be there, obviously, right? So for Psi2 system, 1 node should be associated. So this is the correct orientation. In this case, OCT can be applied. OCT stands for opposite con rotation. Thermal conditions are employed. Opposite con rotation. Thermal conditions can be employed so that 2 hydrogens are in anti with respect to each other. This is the stereochemistry. Because of HOMO will be Psi2. Psi2 HOMO. So what is the condition? Opposite con rotation. Thermal conditions can be applied here, and the product will be option number 4. So in this way, we can go with cyclization reaction. So what kind of chemistry involved in this? We gone with Friedel-Crafts reaction, general reaction mechanism, and we gone with even photochemistry, pericyclic reactions, right? So let us move on to question number 84. Again, it is a part of organic chemistry. We are taking two equivalents of benzaldehyde. It is treated with N2CHCOOET. Upon treating with copper chloride, compound A will be formed. And further transformation leads to give compound B. Then what are the compounds A and B in this transformation we have to predict. In order to get this, we have to see the mechanism of reaction. 2 moles of benzaldehyde given. I'm taking 2 moles of benzaldehyde, and the reaction can be proceeded with two methods. In path one, what we are doing, we are going to take this N2CHCOOET, right? So this N2CHCOOET, already we know that this N2 group will be better leaving group. There is a possibility of carbene intermediate. There is a formation of carbene intermediate is possible. This carbene can be attached to carbonylic center. When it attached to carbonylic center, this oxygen is associated with positive, and during this attachment here we can attain negative charge. Carbene will be generated. This is the intermediate what we required, which is provided only in the option number 1 and option number 3. And the remaining 2 options will be discarded. Second and fourth may not be related to this one. Only option number 1 and 3 are relevant with respect to this. If, by getting this product B, we can find the final product in this reaction. For that purpose, let us move on to next step. This further involved in reaction with one more molecule of benzaldehyde, because we are taking 2 equivalents of benzaldehyde. That's why more one benzaldehyde will be added. So here cyclization reaction will be carried. How can we cyclize? This negative charge attached to carbonylic center, this is called a nucleophilic addition. And oxygen will be attached at this carbon. So oxygen will be attached at this carbon. We will get 5-membered cyclic ring in this manner. How can we say 5-membered? Let us assume this is the carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-membered ring is generated. And this carbon having phenyl, and adjacent carbon also have phenyl. So here benzene ring simply represented with pH. pH stands for C6H5. Here phenyl, here also phenyl group is there. And here we have 2 oxygen atoms and 1 more carbon. This carbon already have ester linkage. So here it is represented 5-membered ring with 2 phenyl and ester linkage on this ring system, right? So this is about path 1. And in second methodology, what we are doing, we are going with treating 3 molecules in a single reaction vessel, right? It is a multi-component reaction. We are taking 2 moles of benzaldehyde in the same instance and added with carbene intermediate. It involved in cyclization process. How it will be? Here, the electrons present in the carbene will form a bond with oxygen, so that oxygen-carbon bond will be generated. This carbonylic group is used to form a new bond between carbon and oxygen again. Here also carbon-oxygen bond will be formed, and this pi bond is moved towards this side, so that here carbon-carbon linkage is possible. Now let us see what are the position of functional groups. Here carbon having benzene and carbon linked to oxygen, next carbon having benzene again, right? So carbon having benzene, oxygen, next carbon having, here it should be benzene ring. So here 1 more phenyl ring should be there. And this carbon is having COOET. This carbon is having COOET. This is the second method where we are treating all 3 components in a single reaction vessel, right? So in both the ways reactions are possible. Let us see where the product is there. The product is there in the option number 1, right? So this is the direct intermediate formed whenever this compound is treated with this. In order to treat this one, first we have to generate the carbene in the presence of copper chloride. So carbene will be attached to the oxygen rather than carbon. Carbene will be attached to the oxygen, that is the deciding step in this reaction. So that oxonium will be generated, and for the reaction sequence, upon treating with one more benzaldehyde, we will get a cyclic structure of 5-membered ring with phenyl and ester linkages. Option number 1 will be the correct answer for question number 84. Now let us move on to question number 85. In question number 85, what we have? NH2, CH2, CH2, C double bond, CH2, COO80. It is treated with sodium hydride. Then product A will be formed. This is one kind of compound. In the second compound, what is given? Instead of amine, thiohydroxy compound was given. Okay. So the reaction mainly depends upon electronic factors of these functional groups present. The remaining entire structure is same except the functional groups present on this compounds. Here we have NH2, here we have SH. And the reagent is also similar, but only the difference is functional group present in this, right? Then compound 1 proceeded with one kind of mechanism. In compound 2 obtaining, we will go with another mechanism. Let us see what are the different products, whether both the products are identical or different. If it is different, what will be the mechanism for the reaction? Let us see mechanism in order to achieve both the products. Initially, I'm taking amino compound and it is treated with sodium hydride strong base. What is the purpose of base? It used to abstract the H plus. So for our convenience, the compound is written in the form of cyclized synchronized form, right? So this base, sodium hydride, will pull one of the H plus. Generation of amide, NH minus, is possible. This NH minus will be attached to the carbonylic center so that this OET can be discarded, and what will be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-membered ring system will be generated without affecting olefinic double bond. This NH minus is specifically attached to carbonylic center rather than olefinic center because hard interactions are stable. In accordance with HACAB principle, hard interactions are stable. Otherwise, soft interactions are stable. Soft interactions are weak. That's why this NH minus, being it is hard, it will be attached to carbonylic rather than olefinic center. That's why the product will be 5-membered ring instead of the attachment with this carbon atom, right? So here is the product for this amino compound. Let us discuss about second compound, that is SH containing compound. Now it is treated with this olefinic double bond rather than ester carbonylic center. What is the reason? SH, being it is the weak field ligand, weak field functional group, it will be selectively attached to the olefinic carbon rather than carbonylic carbon. So soft interactions are very stable. Hard interactions are stable. Soft interactions also stable. That's the reason why here the linkage possible with olefinic center, and we will get ester unaffected and 5-membered ring is formed, right? So even we have same skeletal structure, same reagent, but only the functional group variation. The mechanism of reaction will be entirely different and both the different products will be obtained. So where we can find both the different products, let us see. Compound 1 will be this one and compound 2 will be ester. So option number 4 is satisfying the statement. Sorry for this, I'm not able to show this completely, but here is the complete pictures of the products obtained. Here is double bond O, double bond NH. This is the compound number 1. And this is compound number 2, where we have cyclic system of 5-membered thiophene. You can say it is a tetrahydrothiophene and having third position ester functional group, right? So for this 85 question number, fourth option will be the right answer. right? Question number 85, option number 4 will be the right answer. Let us move on to question number 86. In the question number 86, again it is a part of organic chemistry where we have cyclohexane system, and OH group is there, NHCH, PH2 is there, and double bond is there, pH is there, added with formaldehyde in the presence of CSA. Let us see what will be the product. In order to get that, we are taking starting material is added with formaldehyde. One of the pH group is discarded from this one, and this nitrogen is able to form a bond with this formalin, and there is a formation of nitronium ion. This formaldehyde. So at this carbonylic center, nitrogen lone pair of electrons will be added so that we will get this kind of material, this kind of product. Now, there is a possibility of 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. There is a possibility of 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3,3 sigma tropic. Here the cleavage of sigma bond, and this bond will be shifted in this direction, and this olefinic double bond is moving towards this side, and this pi bond is shifted towards this side, so that there is a formation of cyclic product. There is a new carbon-carbon bond formation is possible by the process called a 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. Here you can achieve this type of product. And within the molecule, how can we represent? So from this phenylic carbon atom, from this phenylic carbon, the linkage is possible, right? Here is the formation of keto-enol tautomerism. Here you can observe keto-enol tautomerism. Here we have enolic form that can be turned into ketonic form. Whenever ketonic form is there, here carbocation will be generated and new bond formation is possible, and bond subsequently shifted towards this side. It is turned into 5-membered, and another 7-membered ring is there. Right, one 7-membered, another 5-membered pyrrolidine ring system is there. Now let us see what will be the product here. Only the option 2 is having 7-membered ring, remaining all are 6-membered rings. That's the reason why for the question number 86, option number 2 will be the right answer. Let us move on to question number 87. Again, it is a part of organic chemistry. Heterocyclic compound pyridine was given. 6-membered ring with nitrogen is called pyridine, and side chain OCH2OMe is there. Upon treating with butyl lithium, being it is a strong base used to generate carbene ion, it will pull H plus and carbene will be generated. In the presence of diethyl ether, and the temperature conditions are extremely low, minus 78 degrees centigrade. Another reagent is diiodoethane. 1, 2 diiodoethane was added here. Let us see what will be the product. In order to get that, we have two methodologies again. Two probabilities are there. One is this butyl lithium will pull H plus from either ortho position or para position. If ortho position hydrogen is discarded, here we will get carbene. This carbene further treated with, what is the in this? ICH2CH2I. The second reagent is ICH2CH2I, which used to give the iodine, so that iodo group will be attached. I positive will be attached at this position. This is one possibility. In the second possibility, butyl group will pull the H plus from this fourth center, so that carbene will be generated, which is subsequently added with the ICH2CH2I, so that iodo substitution carried at fourth position. Now, let us see where the stability of this minus charge is there. Where can we find the stability more, ortho or para? How can we predict? Based on electronic factors only. Here, nitrogen being it is more electronegative and associated with lone pair of electrons, and adjacent carbene ion will experience high force of electron-electron repulsions, sterically highly prohibited. But in case of para substitution, both the charges, that means both the electron densities are far apart, we can experience less force of repulsions in case of this para carbene ion. so that iodo group will be conveniently attached to the fourth position. So here product will be generated. Product will be generated. So fourth position will be the major one. Then ortho position will be the minor product. So in this case, we can find this option number 2 is the right answer for question number 87. Option number 2 will be the right answer. How can we predict? Based on the stability of generated carbon intermediate. Carbon repulsions are very high at ortho. Para will be that kind of repulsions will be minimized, so that ortho substitution is not possible. Para substitution is preferable in this case. So 87, option number 2 will be the right answer. Let us move on to question number 88. In the 88 question, starting material to be predicted. Product is given, reagents also given. The thing we have to predict is compound. What is the starting material in this reaction? In order to get this, we have to go with different kind of compounds which are provided in the options. Choose the option, apply these reagents, whether it is possible to get the final product or not. We have to go in this manner. In order to get this, let us take the first option, that is triple bond, double bond is there, and ester linkage is there. So let us take that one, and which can be synchronized in this manner. So in order to cyclize the compound, we are taking the compound in the synchronized manner. Now, photochemical conditions are applied.